Hello everyone, my name is Diego and today I will solve the problem that is in the screen. First, we have to read what the problem tells and what we have to find. A flagpole is supported by three wires, BA, BC and BD, as shown in this diagram. The first that we have to find is the angle of ABD. Secondly, we have to find the area of the triangle ABD. Third, we have to find the area of the triangle of the angle of elevation from the top of the to the top of the flagpole of the point C. And finally, we have shown is the ABC is or isn't a right triangle. Secondly, we have identified the data that the problem gives us. From the top of the flagpole to the point A is equal to 28 meters. From the top of the flagpole to the point D is 12 meters. From the top of the flagpole to the point C is 13 meters. And finally, from the point D to the point A is 20 meters. Third, we have to find what the problem asks us. To this, first I will find the angle of the triangle ABD, but for this I will change the B to N because I will use B later. So first I will calculate A that is equal to r cosine of 28 to the square plus 20 to the square minus 12 to the square over 2 times 28 to 20. And that is equal to 21.8. Then I will calculate n, that is equal to r cosine of 28 to the square plus 12 to the square minus 20 to the square over 2 times 28 to 12, and that is equal to r cosine and that is equal to 38.8. And finally I will find D, and D is equal to 180 minus 8 plus n, and that's equal to 180 minus 21.8 plus 38.2, and that's equal to 120. Then I will find the area of ADN, but for this first I will find C and H. But for this, first I will find y that is equal to 180 minus 8, and that's equal to 60. Then 60 that is equal to cosine 12 to cosine of 60, and that's equal to 6 meters. After that we have find h is equal to 12 to sine of 60, and that is equal to 10.4. To find the area, we have find two areas. The first area is 26 meters, to 10.4 over 2, and that is equal to 135.2 meters squared. And the second area that is equal to 6 to 10.4 meters over 2, and that's equal to 31.2 meters squared. And to find the area of ADN is equal to the first area minus the second area, and that is equal to 104 meters squared. Finally, I will find the angle C and show that the angle ABC triangle is not a right triangle. To find the angle C is equal to r sine of 10.4 meters over 13 meters, and that's equal to 51 degrees. And finally we have to identify the angle B that is equal to 180 minus A plus C, and that's equal to 105.1 degrees. And if we look, ABC isn't equal to 90 degrees, so ABC triangle isn't a right triangle. Thank you all for listening.